escape those pathetic humans. Or else
what?
Or else they will ruin my plans. Now get back to the project.
Where am I? My own.
I've got to leave.
Why are there so many Smilers? Just those two right now. Stay back.
Wait, I'm here to help you. That guy in the tuxedo and the other guy with the jacket, they're in the ambulance. Don't freak out. Just come with me. You'll see our friend.
What's this?
Noda. Hey Ethan,
Nathan, what do you want?
check this out.
You look ridiculous. Hey, look at this. Check me out.
Now that looks sick.
I wonder how I can charge my arm. What happened?
A Smiler.
Why? Oh. What is happening? Why do I have a robot arm?
Listen, that machine gave you a new arm.
Stop screaming.
You stop screaming. Someone said it all hot. Jude,
Hello?
I think she's a bit shaken up after leaving Cicada. I have good news though.
and that is,
All 6 of you are now in the ambulance. Just where is the ice guy, the fast guy, and the chest dude?
Fire in the hole!
Oh, hi guys.
Why did you just crash through the ceiling?
Funny story. I got sucked into a portal and brought to the kitchen. And finally I was hit and brought here.
is everyone alright?
We came as soon as we could.
What happened? And who is the banana?
Name's Simon. Long story short, we need to save multiverse.